how to start the engine and operate the skid steer. So first, for starting the engine, you have to make sure that the check behind. As you can see here, this is the battery switch. This is turned off right now. If you switch the turn it off, you're gonna switch the lever to this way. Then the electricity is on. Then you can start the engine whenever you turn the key on. Okay. So when you start the engine, before starting the engine, make sure this bar is down, and also there's a seat belt here. It is not rusty yet, it's available, so make sure your safety is good enough. Then after you are ready, then there is a key. Then insert the key to here. It is upside down. Then there is one click. Then second click will be the starting engine. So after you finish the operation, you also have to take off the key, and additionally you have to make sure the hydraulic pressure is reduced. This is how to reduce the hydraulic. First, there is a wire which has the yellow cover here. Then you have to pull this wire. Now after you pull the wire, there is a lever for the left side here. Yeah, pulling the wire, then lay down the lever to right side. Then the hydraulic pressure is now reduced. Then after you finish that, you can return that, and you can get it from the skid steer. This is a little bit rusty machine, and some part is broken, but still available for digging the ground. So make sure your safety is priority. So after you finish the operation and turn off the engine, then take off the key, then you also have to check this electricity switch again. This is now turning it off right now, but when you finish the operation, the switch always supposed to be here to connecting the battery and the electricity in the machine. Then after you finish, switch this, make this switch off, then electricity is disconnected from battery. This is it.